What does the future hold for feeding animals? The goal of the Global Animal Nutrition Summit is to bring together global experts to further explore that question.
I'm most excited about the new nutrition research that's going to be presented. Being able to see and interact with people from different countries is always a very fun thing to do.
When I think about who should attend, I think of everything from medical practitioners, so veterinarians, physicians, paraprofessionals, nurses, veterinary technicians. These individuals will all get something out of this diverse group of presentations.
What people can expect is 2.5 days of some high caliber research presentations and some keynote speakers that are going to help us think about where the future of nutrition really needs to go.
We have an outstanding list of keynote speakers, starting the conference off with Dr. Evan Fraser, who's really going to talk about how our food systems have changed, especially under COVID.
One of the big challenges facing the planet is how to feed the world in a sustainable, just, profitable way. One of the components of the human food system is the animal food system, the livestock we raise, and critically, what we actually feed to the livestock. And so what I'm going to try to do with my talk is I'm going to cast my eye forward and try to anticipate where some of the big themes, the mega trends, are going to take the protein industry.
Once we knew that we would have to have a virtual format, we had to change a lot of things and reimagine what this would look like, both for our speakers and for our participants.
The online platform for the posters will be active before and after the conference to allow a lot of discussion on the posters, and in fact, a lot more than you would have at a normal conference where you might get 5 minutes at a poster. And then we will have open discussion sections after the keynote speakers and all the symposia participants.
There's also mini reviews. We want to give them some more time to discuss the bigger scope of their project, which I think is an exciting opportunity for the students who will be presenting during those time slots, but I think also for the audience, because this is not the typical format that is used, and it can give you a better idea of what that research group is working on specifically.
Unlike any other conference, this is going to be economically a great way to get some new information and to interact with people all over the world with something we're all passionate about.
We can learn a lot from each other, and just the comparative approach is very, very interesting, because every animal species, in one way they're similar, but in another way they're very different, and I think those differences and those similarities can teach us a lot of different things about other species.
I think this is a great opportunity for other researchers, students, academics, industry personnel to get to see a little bit of what WELF does.
It's the diversity in what we're presenting that's going to stimulate thought and hopefully make us all start to think about what the next 10 to 20 years in animal nutrition is and what we need to do to feed animals as we think about feeding humans as the population of both continue to grow and grow. And because of that, I think that if you really want that diverse experience, a real thought-provoking opportunity, you should register for Global Animal Nutrition Summit in Guelph in August.